How you start your mornings dictates the rest of your day. The problem is that most of you men are doing it incorrectly. You're starting wrong the night before. If you're not sleeping enough time during the night, the rest of your day is ruined. And this is scientifically proven. It's scientifically proven that 67% of all your bad days are due to a lack of sleep. When you're not sleeping right, you can't think right. You can't problem solve. Your energy's down the roof. You've pretty much thrown the rest of your day, and all you're thinking about is when you're gonna go back to bed. You waste an entire day. So don't waste a day. Get your 6 to 8 hours. 2, you're ultra sensitive. This is an interesting study that I found. But apparently, at least in America, for Americans, 25% of their bad days are because their water temperature wasn't right in the morning. What that means is basically because the rest of your family used up all the hot water and you had to start your day with a cold shower, you pretty much now have a crummy day. You're pissed off in the morning, which pisses off the rest of the day, and now it's all gone to crap, which means you're ultra sensitive. The reason you have bad days is because any little thing that's not right, the shirt isn't ironed right, you don't have the right outfit, you didn't get to eat breakfast that morning, the water was too cold, you then decide to throw away the rest of the day, not understanding this is more valuable than you burning cash. Your time, what you can complete in a day, and your mood during that day, you are in complete control over, and you're allowing to throw away that day and allowing a bad day to occur because you're sensitive over something so minuscule. Number 3, you're disorganized, both in your bedroom and your shower. If all of that is a mess, it's gonna become hard for you trying to figure out where is everything that you need so you can get ready quicker in the morning. What you need to realize is that an organized life not only declutters your brain, you feel more relaxed and at peace, but it allows you to more efficiently get out of the house. Now, I can't clean up your room, nor will your mother, but I can help you clean up your bathroom. Yo, with He Grooming, we just released our new organizer set for your shower. It's sick. It's universal. It works in any shower. It's a sticky back, so it works anywhere, and it looks sick. Guaranteed to make your bathroom look more modern. Like it'll elevate any bathroom. Just look how sick it looks, bro. So it comes with 4 pads, and each pad has a designated purpose. One's for toothbrush, your razor, one's a magnet that you can put any sort of magnetic feature on, and you can also hang any sort of loofah or scrubber that you decide to use. We just launched this last week, and we're not even done. Let me show you this. We're about to launch our new trimmer. We've been asked for a trimmer for the longest, but I don't want to do just any regular trimmer. This trimmer is a trimmer and a vacuum in one. So this trimmer collects all your hair trimmings as you're shaving. So I don't know if you can hear this. That's a vacuum. So as you're shaving, it's sucking in all the hair. So now you're not only organized, but you're also looking good every morning, and it's mess free. Well, all this, boys, this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, our Black Friday sales happening on all our brands. He Grooming, Santa Lucia, Jade Black, Essentials, and for the first time ever, we're dropping new product on all brands, including a new product for He Grooming. So you're not only gonna get the best sale possible, you're getting new stuff. Stuff that nobody else has touched. And yes, it's probably gonna sell out. If I were you, I'd put a reminder on your phone. This Saturday, Black Friday, don't just buy for it. Don't be selfish, bro. Not just for you. Buy for everybody. At this price, yo, everything will be up to 70% off across all 4 brands plus new product. That's crazy. Number 4, you forget to be grateful. See, we are so quick to point out the defaults, right? Again, you're so sensitive, right? You don't have the right outfit. The shirt you wanted is in the dirty clothes hamper. The water you showered with was too cold. You're so quick to highlight the bad stuff in your life, which really aren't that bad, right? But you never highlight the great stuff. You got a roof over your head. You got food, you got life, you can breathe, you got energy, you can better yourself. Everybody has something to be happy about or grateful about. And what I want you to do is, instead of being so sensitive, right, that everything bothers you, to have a great day every morning, start by journaling. Journal 5 to 6 things you're grateful about. You woke up, you're feeling good, you skipped breakfast, you went to the gym. Bro, this is free stuff that you can do, and I promise you, you start doing that, you're gonna feel better. Number 5, have offsets. Look, everybody has bad days. It's the nature of the beast. We all got to deal with them, but you can offset them. See, let's say you have the crappiest day. It's 8 at night already. You've destroyed your whole day. You spent it on TikTok, lounging in your bed. You had nothing to do. You feel like crap about yourself. At that moment, when you're thinking, man, I just wasted this day, I want you to get up and go to the gym. Get up and go to the gym. It's going to suck. You're not going to want to do it. You're going to think, man, it's too late. By the time I come back, I have to shower, it'll be 11 at night. Get up, go to the gym, come back, tell me how you feel. You're gonna feel like the man. You're gonna feel invincible. The fact that you did something so hard that you didn't wanna do, I call these offsets, where you have a bad day and you offset it by doing something extremely hard that you do not want to do. Because what happens is when you have bad days, what did we mention? You wanna just throw the entire day away. I'm telling you to offset that day and right in the middle, turn it right around. Go to work, be more productive, work on that project. Yo, start talking to girls, start DMing girls. Do something that's productive that'll propel you forward.